Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna try to move it because it's sticky. It's a sticky spot and we're gonna be trying to fix it. It's almost okay, so here's the slime. It's sticky. Look at it. It's sticky. I made this with my friend. And added some lotion and okay, so add some activator. Okay, it's working good, I guess. Okay, it looks like gray in the video. And it's like a lavender in the light. Don't get alarmed, people. Don't get alarmed. Okay. So the slime is still super sticky. Like it's super sticky still. But it's working better than it usually does. So. Okay. So I'm just gonna try to lift this up. Okay. Oh my god, guys, it's so sticky. Like, I don't get why it became so sticky. I only added like 12 squirts of lotion. I know, 12, you're like, what the heck? But it's a big slime. Okay, I want to adjust the color because it looks like a disgusting gray, but it's actually a pretty purple. So I don't know why. It's like a disgusting gray. Okay. Okay, I added more activator. And if it gets too overactivated, I'll add some lotion. I'll add some lotion. So it became bigger, like way bigger, like way over the top bigger. It became like 8 times bigger than its size, so. Okay. Okay. That's not the same at all. Okay, I am gonna take this extra activator. Okay. So if you're new, subscribe because I really want people to subscribe to my channel. Nope. It help it. Okay. So see, it's better now, but not really that good. Oh my god, they're so big. I'm gonna add, because look. Yeah, this is my activator bowl. I just made it like 2 days ago. I'm sorry that I haven't been posting because I have school and you know I get off really late. It has some glitters in it and it's here, I'll show you. See, you can kind of see the glitter. You can see the sparkle. Makes really good bubbles. So this slime is not really that sticky. I'm gonna add some of this, but with a little twist. I'm adding some borax into the activator so that it will work. So let's test it out. Oh my god, guys, it's actually working. Oh my god, yes. And this is ours, guys. And this plus borax works. Now I'm gonna add some gel. It's clear, guys, so don't worry. So this gel is hair gel. I don't know what hair gel does to slime, but I've heard it makes it stretchy, and it's, look at that, doesn't even stretch that well. And it made it way more jiggly. Okay. I dropped something. Okay, I just dropped this. It didn't even crack, so yeah, it didn't crack. So what I'm doing is mixing the glitter into the shampoo. No, literally. I'm god, now I can't even get it out. What the heck? Okay. Okay, that is too much. Okay, so I think it will. I know what wash does. This one, it makes it a little more sticky. And I don't know why I'm doing it in here. And it makes it non-stretchy. And mine has a glitter in it, so mine will make it more glittery. I think it will, because I didn't see the glitter. I see the glitter over here. But not on here. Oh my god, this is stretchy, jiggly slime. Oh my god, okay, if you guys want like stretchy, like legit stretchy, good jiggly slime, this is the method for you. Like, look, it's stretchy, but it's jiggly. Look at that, people. And also, I've warned you in the beginning of the video, but now I'm gonna warn it again. It's the actual color is a purple, not a disgusting looking. What the heck is the color? Like a disgusting looking grayish yellow. So, beware. I don't have Etsy or Wish shop, so I'm not gonna sell it. Plus, if you want to be my YouTuber friend, you can, but you have to tell me why are you friending me and stuff like that. Yeah. I had top. I had like something trends ask me and I said no and they didn't respond back. So well, I think they did, but I don't really know. Oh my god, guys, look at this slime. Oh, I'm sorry guys, I have sun on my hands. It's so unsatisfying. Get off my hand. Like this is so amazing, guys. Like, you should do this too. Okay, I'm looking in my cupboard to see what else I can put in. Maybe these chunks. I am gonna, oh my god guys, these are hair chunk. I am gonna put some on my hair first before I put it in the slime. They wash out, so yeah. There, I dyed my hair. I think I just wrote on my scalp. Okay, there. That is all I'm gonna do. I will show you guys. Like, look at that. Like, I literally dyed my hair. See? Oh my god, guys. Like, that is so cool. But I don't think I will later. Okay, so I'm gonna go be warm. Bye bye bye.